Here we are on the other side of the waterfall, underneath in the cavern. We're back good 20 feet from the edge. Back here, and I wonder, in all this rock, I wonder if there's any fossils in that. That one right there is ready to split open anyway. See anything in there? Sand had already permeated in that. There. Is that something right there? It's probably just sedimentary stuff. But all this rock. Look at this, it's really weird. You got up here these washed river rock, and then right above it is sandstone. Finer particles. This is at the bottom now. The one below the river rock is fine sedimentary. But you can see coal in it. Yep, that's coal. It's soft. I gave my friend Regina a lesson in carbon, oil, and coal, and where it comes from. All the sources of oil and coal come from a terrible environmental condition with stagnant water, multiple algae blooms, where life was teeming at one time and then it died off suddenly, or where life was just abundantly flourishing but died off real rapidly, have a rapid growth life cycle. So you have a lot of life that died off at once, creating carbon, and the different rocks and conditions it faced later on in its life when it died off as sediment depended upon if it turned out to be liquid or solid. Like, I know what I'm talking about. So here we are. It's a little niche. It's always wet here. I don't care how dry the environment has been, there will always be water coming down right here. So this moss, no telling how old that moss is. Hundreds, I don't know, 100 years old? Okay, so here we are, away from these people's business, so far enough away. Won't be in their face. Give some perspective too. I'm way back behind on the other side of the waterfall, underneath the overhang. See over there. We got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people in here. This place one day, it's my hope to see this whole area. Whole area could be ginormous world biosphere park. It's the Harbor River watershed is very unique place. Alabama is a very unique place. These people appreciated it more. And honestly, there's a firework remnant and the graffiti, but I mean, it's not that bad. But still, it could easily be washed off. Where we going? The second waterfall is pretty cool, isn't it? You can see those people there just passed by. Pretty good. Except for how big this place is. Let's keep walking. There's people down at the creek down there. I just stepped out underneath, and this is what's above me. I'm gonna walk up this trail. I don't think anybody will mess with my bike. Yeah. Hope not. I see it over there. Keep stopping to look over at my bike. I'm kind of freaky about it. I can't see it. Can't pick it out. Oh, there it is. I see it. I don't think you might mess with it. You just never can tell. Spooky. Okay, here's over to my left. The other side of the waterfall, and it wraps around, bends to the left for this second waterfall here. There we go. It's like the lookout point. We hiked up there, me and the girls, the other day. It's pretty neat up there at the top. All that moss and ferns is just, it's a hanging garden. No doubt about it. Somebody out there that sees this needs to think about this. Hopefully do something about it. If anything's worth saving or believing in, it should be a place like this. And only this. If this place gives back, can't put a price on that. Alright, we're going to end now my little philosophical mumbo jumbo. Need to get moving. Catch us in a minute.